मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा। व्हाट इज इक्वेशन रिड्यूसिबल टू लीनियर फॉर्म। ओके, तो अपन ने लास्ट क्लास में ये देखा कि कौन सी ऐसी इक्वेशन है जो रिड्यूस हो जाती है किसमें, लीनियर फॉर्म में। तो आपको मैंने बताया था कि इस टाइप की जो इक्वेशन होगा dy by dx plus py is equals to q into y to the power n. This type of equation may be reduced in linear form, and the linear form of a differential equation is dy by dx plus py is equals to q. This is called linear differential equation. Okay, and this is called Bernoulli's differential equation or equation reducible to linear differential equation. Right? In previous class we say how to reduce a equation in linear form. Okay, already we told you what are the different steps, what are the working rules to solve the such types of equation. Now today we will solve some problem based on equation reducible to linear form. Right? The first question is x into dy by dx plus y is equals to y square log x. Right? So first we see the given equation is linear or not. Okay, if it is linear then we solve it by linear form. If it is not linear then we think about the reducible form. Right? So first we see in the given equation. In the given equation, log x is the multiple of y square. If in the linear form q is the multiple of y to the power n, then it is not a linear but it is reducible to linear form, or in other words we call it Bernoulli's equation. Right? So here we clearly see the log x is the multiple of y square, therefore equation is not a linear but it may be reducible to linear form. Right? So first we divide the whole equation by y square. Also we see here the multiple of dy by dx is x. Okay? If the multiple of dy by dx, then it is also not in form of this Bernoulli's equation. So first we have to remove this x from this equation. Right? So we divide the given equation number 1 by x into y square. Then we get 1 upon y square dy by dx plus 1 upon x into 1 upon y is equals to log x upon x, or this is also equals to y to the power minus 2 dy by dx plus 1 upon x y to the power minus 1 log x upon x. Say this is the equation number 2. Okay, now again we see the equation 2 is also not a linear, so we convert into in a linear form. We use some substitutions, right, as we told in previous class. Right? So first we have substitute y to the power minus of 1 is equals to v. On differentiation with respect to x, we get minus of y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equal to dv upon dx, or this gives us y to the power minus 2 dy by dx is equals to minus of dv upon dx. Now we put these two values in the equation number second. So by equation second, we get dv upon dx with minus sign plus 1 upon x into v is equal to log x upon x, or dv upon dx minus of 1 upon x into v is equals to minus of log x upon x. Say this is the equation number 3, and clearly we see the equation 3 is a linear differential equation. If we compare this equation with this equation, okay, here the dependent variable is y, and in our equation this dependent variable is v. Okay, so we can say the equation number 3, which is linear differential equation. Okay, and we already know how to solve the linear differential equation. Yes, first we find the integrating factor. The integrating factor is e to the power integral of p dx. What is p? That is the multiple of v. This is minus of 1 upon x. So this is equals to e to the power minus 1 upon x dx. And the integral of 1 upon x is log x. So we get e to the power minus of log x, or this is also equals to e to the power log x to the power minus of 1, using the general rules of logarithm, right? Or this is also equals to 1 upon x. So the integrating factor of the equation number 3 is 1 upon x. Now we find the general solution of equation number 3. So the general solution of equation 3 is dependent variable, that is v, into integrating factor is equals to whole integral of q into integrating factor integral with respect to x plus any constant c, right? Now putting the values, so v into integrating factor is, that is 1 upon x, and q is minus log x upon x, right? Minus of log x upon x. Integrating factor is 1 upon x, integral with respect to x plus constant c, or v into 1 upon x minus of integral. This is log x into 1 upon x square dx. Now we have to integrate this term. How to integrate it? By using integration by parts, right? So taking first function is log function, and the second function is 1 upon x square. Using the integration by parts, first function integration of the second, that is 1 upon x square, then minus d by dx of the first function, that is log x, integration of 1 upon x square dx and double dx plus any constant c, right? So v into 1 upon x minus, this is log of x, the integral of 1 upon x square. How to solve it? We solve it by x to the power minus 2 dx. Using the formula x to the power minus of n, that is x to the power minus n plus 1 upon minus n plus 1. So this gives us minus of x to the power minus of 1 or minus of 1 upon x, right? So we get minus of 1 upon x, this minus, the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, integral of 1 upon x square is minus of 1 upon x, so this becomes plus integral of 1 upon x square dx plus constant c, right? Now again we integrate 1 upon x square, then we get minus 1 upon x log x minus 1 upon x plus any constant c. Okay, so this is the complete integral of this term. Finally, we substitute the value of v, that is y to the power minus 1 or 1 upon y, right? So finally, we put the value of v, then we get 1 upon xy, right? Or this is 1 upon x log x minus of 1 plus any constant c. So this is the required solution. Clear all of you? Right? So what we do? First we convert the given equation in linear form. राइट, तो लीनियर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले अपने को दिमाग में क्या लाना है कि जो लीनियर इक्वेशन होती है उसकी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या है। वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हमको सबसे पहले मेमोराइज करनी है, उसकी कंडीशंस क्या है, उस कंडीशंस को अपन को ध्यान में रखते हुए जो भी हम ऑपरेशन या ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं वो अपन ऑपरेट करें। जैसे मैंने बताया कि फर्स्ट अगर लीनियर बनाना है तो dy बाई डी एक्स का मल्टीपल पहले 1 चाहिए, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे अगर लीनियर ये y में है तो राइट हैंड साइड में y का फंक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए। तो मेरे को दो चीज़ों की जरूरत यहाँ पे नहीं थी, एक और दूसरा y स्क्वायर। Therefore first we divide the whole equation by x into y square, then we get this term, okay. But when we divide then we get the equation number second। और यहाँ पे भी अपन ने फिर क्या ऑब्जर्व किया कि dy बाई डी एक्स का मल्टीपल y टू दी पावर माइनस 1 बन रहा है और यहाँ पे जो है मल्टीपल y टू दी पावर माइनस 1 बन रहा है, जो लीनियर इक्वेशन की कंडीशन में नहीं आता है। तो जो वेरिएबल यहाँ पे हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा था उसको हमने एक नए वेरिएबल में सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया और सब्स्टिट्यूशन के थ्रू हमने देखा कि आपकी इक्वेशन किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, लीनियर। देन वी सॉल्व linear equation and finally we substitute the value of p to get the required solution. Okay, thank you.